Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. In today's video, I will be reviewing the brand new Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. But before we get started, and if you're new here, please consider to subscribe to my channel and ring that little notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Also, come and follow me on my Instagram. And now, if you want to know everything about this palette, swatches, demo comparisons, and this eyeshadow look, just keep on watching. So we have Aina in the house. I'm super excited for this palette. Jackie. Woohoo! There you go. We got it. We got it right here. This is the Aina palette in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm super happy for this launch right here. I'm super excited to create a look with this eyeshadow palette. You don't know, you have no idea. Alright my friends, so here you go. This is the palette. Aina collaborated with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Look at the carton box. Look at the outer packaging. It's just so beautiful, so unique, so different for Anastasia Beverly Hills. And same thing with the eyeshadow palette. It has this beautiful outer cover that looks kind of like a crocodile, reptile type of a skin, and it has a sheaf of purple, pink, blue, green. I mean, totally holographic, totally Aina. And then I love right here her emblem, JA. It's just amazing. I'm super happy for Aina. I'm super happy also for Anastasia Beverly Hills that they decided to do something different, something that, you know, they haven't done before, and collaborated with a YouTuber and influencer that is so huge, so big, and that actually has stand out for her community. She mentioned in her reveal video that this palette was created for those, she called it her chocolate girls and chocolate boys, and I thought it was the cutest, and I think that is super important. I mean, not to make a difference between people, but you know how it is sometimes. I'm a Latin girl, and sometimes certain products, they are not really geared for my skin tone, and I think the same way they will feel people that have a little bit of a darker complexion. I actually have a sister that she's, you know, way darker than me, and I always recall she likes to wear a lot of purples, a lot of like greens and foil shades, because those are the ones that they show better on her skin tone. So this is perfect. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling right here and just give you some more information about this beautiful palette. So this palette right here launched on August 6th. There was an early access through Aina's Instagram that I was able to get in and kind of like, you know, purchase it right away. This palette arrived yesterday to my door, but it was too late for me to actually upload another video, so unfortunately, you know, I had to wait, but that's okay because I enjoy looking at it, taking a video for my Instagram and whatnot. But you know what? It will be available on August 15th, also at Sephora and Ulta stores and online. So you're able to purchase there, or you can purchase it right now at Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it costs $45, which is the typical normal cost of Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. Okay, and this eyeshadow palette comes with 14 shades. There you go, beautiful shades. It comes with the typical Anastasia brush. It also contains 6 matte shades, and then it has a combination of foil and shimmer shades, which are just beautiful. And as usually, I love that it comes with a mirror, because we all need a mirror, right, when we do our makeup, so this is perfect. Okay, so here are the swatches. I honestly have no idea what look to make. I'm completely lost. The colors are just gorgeous. I mean, I really love this shade right here called Wiggle Eyes. You know, you're legalized to wear a wig. That's totally fine. I have never worn a wig in my life. Well, I tried once and it was really funny and I took it off. So anyhow, I love that shade, but I also love the shade Shackington. And I think I'm gonna stay with the colors here. Yeah, I think so. Alright, so I'm gonna go, I think, with the shade Supreme. And now this is the thing, if you get this palette, the colors are intense, so you will not find a very, you know, light base color. Just go with that in your mind. So I'm gonna go with the shade Supreme first, and I'm using that brush that comes in the palette. Next shade I'm going to be using is called Big Wig, and I'm going to be using my E44 Sigma brush. And I'm going to place it right here on my outer V. Now with a Morphe GH38 brush, I'm going to go to the shade Pinker, and I'm gonna deepen out my crease. So I'm gonna go back again with the brush that comes in the palette, and I'm gonna go again with the shade Supreme. Next I'm gonna go into the shade Wiggle Eyes. I love that name. And I'm gonna be using a Morphe M421 brush. And first I'm gonna apply it dry and see what is the payoff. Now I'm gonna apply it wet with some MAC Fizz Plus. Next I'm gonna go into the shade Shackington. And I think I'm just gonna drag it all the way and mix it in with the shade Wiggle Eyes. Now I'm gonna go back again into the shade Wiggle Eyes and just place it a little bit on top of the shade Shackington. Next I'm gonna go into the shade Pinker and deepen out a little bit my inner corner. Now I'm really dying to try this shade right here, Trust Issues. I don't know how it's gonna go on top of it, but you know, let's give it a whirl. So I'm just gonna use my finger and place it right in the middle. I'm using my Sonia G Builder Pro brush. And for my under eye, I'm gonna go into the shade Big Wig. And then with the same brush, I'm gonna go into the shade Wiggle Eyes. Okay friends, so I'm done with the eyeshadow portion of this video. I'm just gonna do something to my eyelashes and maybe something on my waterline, and I'll be right back to show you the final look. Okay my friends, and here it is, the final look using the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. So before we jump into the thoughts about this eyeshadow palette, I just want to show you some comparisons with other Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadows that I have in my collection. And the first one is obviously this right here. It is the Norvina palette. So we have Celestial in Norvina and then Chalkington in the Jackie Aina. So Celestial is a little bit more of a lavender shade, while Chalkington is more of that true purple shade. Then we have Eccentric from Norvina, which it is very much alike to Ginger from the Jackie Aina palette. Those are two matte shades. And then we have Dreamer from Norvina and Soleil from Jackie Aina. And these are pretty much identical. Now we go into Modern Renaissance against the Jackie Aina palette. So we have Venetian Red from Modern Renaissance and then Pinker from Jackie Aina. Very close in shade, not the same though. The one Pinker from Jackie Aina has more of a purple undertone, while the Modern Renaissance Venetian red has more of a red undertone. Then we have Real Guard from Modern Renaissance, and then Edges from Jackie Aina, very much alike. Then we have Primavera from Modern Renaissance and Soleil from Jackie Aina, and they are alike, but the shade Soleil from Jackie Aina has a little bit more of a pink undertone to it. And now going into the Riviera palette versus the Jackie Aina. So I think the ones that are obvious is Canes and Big Wig. So there is Canes, and this one right here is Big Wig, and they're pretty much the same. I think Canes or Canes, sorry, not Canes, Canes. It is a little bit more vibrant than Big Wig. And then I think the other two shades that are similar are Monte Carlo from Riviera, and then Supreme from Jackie Aina. So this is Monte Carlo and this is Riviera. Now Monte Carlo is a little bit more of a muted type of pink, and Supreme is a little bit more punchy, a little bit brighter. So those are the shades that I have found to be very similar between palettes. Not identical though, that's for sure. And it's interesting because on the Norvina palette, I always thought the shade Passion shouldn't have been there. I don't know, it was just me, and I really wanted to see something like Big Wig on that Norvina palette, and this palette now has it. So as far as the palette, it is a beautiful palette, unique. It's something for those people that like bold type of shades. These shades are gonna carry on mostly for, like, I think it's more fall winter time. It will give you a more intense look, but nonetheless beautiful look. Now if you don't find yourself to find a base type of shade, you can use your bronzer as your base shade and then go with some of these shades right here. It's such a beautiful palette, unique, something special. The formula of Anastasia Beverly Hills, you know that it's very pigmented, very powdery, but very, very pigmented. So I'm doing a foundation review today, so I'm just recording another video, and I just managed to blend in my eyeshadows without any fallout, tap the extra excess, and that will be fine. All of the shades have great pigmentation, price is right, beautiful palette. I'm super happy for Jackie Aina. Congratulations, Jackie. You are awesome. I'm so happy you did it. Okay, my friends, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with some other friends that may like these type of videos. Also, doesn't take too long. Just look below the screen, and you will see it says subscribe. It's a big red button. It says subscribe. Just tap on it. Please do so. Don't go without doing so. Subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so we can get to communicate with each other. Comment down below what you think about this palette. Are you planning to get it or not? Okay, let's just start the conversation. Thank you once again for watching. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye.